tournament no ewie na ankyere and nyame eto ne safre. So Nigeria so a powerhouse when you talk of African Nations Cup no. Omo ba with 3 trophies and omo bo in a group with Ivory Coast. Ebe game obia epeso oshe
the 2 top teams no group A no
yes.
5 almost 5
between them no omo 5 trophies. But Nigeria and AFCON no any ni here because we lose 4 finals.
Wow.
In 7 finals our born we lose 4. And we lose 3 trophies to Cameroon. In Nigeria for now some Canada when you talk of the African Cup of Nations. I was saying you call the next team in the group no Equatorial Guinea.
Okay.
Equatorial Guinea and share the ni Dimbiasa. But this will be their 5th appearance out of the competition.
Wow.
Oma host on 2 occasions separate, one as a co-host on a Gabon and a Cambom no Muhusi and Omo Ankasa Jet tournament. No? But Adia, our Equatorial Guinea, when I say in the 2015 tournament, they managed say Ombetimi and your 4th place and no as would 2012 and Omutimi up with Gabona Omuhusu competition. Equatorial Guinea any competition ni bida.
Okay.
But the omode back to the party ni say omo a giant killers.
Okay.
And in the tournament Tunisia has suffered defeat from them. Algeria they nailed them to a defeat. In the Equatorial Guinea Emma omo long 7 captain Mileno Insue ball and wo Medesbra ball for in the Spanish La Liga. Omo ma say omo ye teams ometimi abeje tournament no.
Okay.
But Equatorial Guinea has show consistency in terms of qualifying to the tournament. It is a say no man who send a bit many the ticket for the tournament.
Yes.
Oh man meje but obebia of course say upset. Yeah. Into Tunisia suffer and Algeria so suffer in other games against Senegal. No? Now it was a difficult game for the Senegalese. So for Equatorial Guinea they are not a powerhouse but only one of the teams that Ombetimi said the chance of progressing to the next thing if they get a chance to qualify. Omo ye team omo hard. Guinea-Bissau so and China Ghana no omo share in 2019.
Okay.
Guinea-Bissau so qualify aba tournament ni bi. Abuso omo nye the traditional names abeka say since competition started in 1957 omo abetimi abia ebegidin. But the latter stages now, omutimi egada, omo Arsenals together, enya the right players to qualify for the competition. It was 2017 they qualified, okay. And the amount of qualification, na surprising. They say they were in the group with Congo, they were in the group with Kenya and then Zambia. They managed to qualify from that group. So this is the team. In 2019, they came back into the tournament. But the first time, even in 2017, when they qualified, they managed just a point.
Okay.
1-1 with the Gabon. From the moment to me, and progressive further. In 2019, Cameroon Eshomo in a group with Ghana and so Eshomo. In fact, that was the only winner, the Blasters of Ghana in that tournament. Almost Guinea-Bissau and they qualify. And then Omotimi manage a draw with Benin. So Guinea-Bissau. The African teams now gradually almost changing the narrative about African football. Just like Mauritania, Sierra Leone, so about the last tournament, and also a impressive performance. That team, almost falling within the 100 ranked teams when we talk of world football at large. Now, almost falling into that bracket. But the Giants are almost into the AFCON proper. But teams are almost pick self. Changing the narratives about African football, just as Iceland in the 2016 Euros, so I'm by best shock the likes of England. No, Guinea-Bissau also on the similar tangent, but say they are yet to win and progress from the group. I know any issue. So I was say wrap it up on Group A in terms of teams and appearances, the trophies they won, and a more impressive record. The AFCON there. This is the record that from the 4 teams or more participating AFCON Eshas here on the 13th. Yenya Ivory Coast almost shas here with Guinea-Bissau, Nigeria, and so Equatorial Guinea. Near said this time around, say Alata Timi qualify no do final na. That's when she Cameroon there.
Countries man and likely say omo every progress from
in the group there. This time no CAF was expanded into the best third place, correct? But Yeah, she said Nigeria a very obvious pick. You bring Ivory Coast qualify. But I upset a buyer last tournament. Emma Algeria, a free as a defending champion. No, it was a bit me a see. Because Osha Equatorial Guinea and Guinea-Bissau, they are yet to make to win a game. But Equatorial Guinea, dear, why be? Inti 2 giants here, be pick almost more qualify. But surprises, our tournament.
The Don Stivo was a fantastic sports by all standards. I'm proud of you guys. Keep it up. I'm watching you live from Dubai. Inkum Jacob and the Dewey Abba Japan original sayings wants to welcome the entire crew back to the saddle of in-depth sports analysis. May you all be blessed with strength and vigor to execute your work with success. Or she stay blessed with original saint, or the free association. Abba, that's all. Abba. James clubs are countries are omo group.
Yeah.
As you see as the vote the room ama yehu omo bra omo abo ewo AFCON no. Omo squad omo de ba saying the strength and weaknesses of the teams. Ma yenchi we AFCON diaries. Wunya ne baby agesa akoma 87.9 FM.
Ebusuya medase. Ansa kwa na ebe call no so say AFCON we ye 2 ways abetimi enya bi ahwe. Ida so be ko stadium wa akwa hwebi ana abetina fi no ahwe no TV so e simple e ba say ye ko stadium ni akwa bi ahwa ebusuya this is the list countries are not ton tickets ne kese pa Cote d'Ivoire na ye ka say nipa 35,175 na atobi Cote d'Ivoire so mo hwe omo group A. The second country I want ton ticket pan and call for baby pa. Guinea-Bissau. Guinea-Bissau for 29,840 NATO. Guinea-Bissau group A. The third country I want top pass over baby pa. Equatorial Guinea. I'm at 18,494. Equatorial Guinea group A.
Wow.
The last country also want top 4 no Nigeria. Nigeria ton 13,159. Nigeria group A.
What does it mean?
It's a group A no un said nya game because we the empty seat ne doso. Because all the 4 countries now we show group A no. OPEC the top 4 countries are turn take it pan this particular AFCON now. As our 4 countries no group A now. And the chair said group A teams no. Omo your points say omo ba be this particular AFCON. But the disappointment are many Africans got to be with a kwanya mo amutifie na ya etifie benye biahwe. On se nan ki nyina nim se ebusu me kai se nan se serve be yes analysis ne kura wa ha. Se Super Sports for na yo mani Free African game ne so ama focus ni nyina ya akọ the foreign game no. Ebusu anu se somewhere around last year ana yete se CAF for ne a Togolese TV company from New World TV assign a 3-year deal. As they say sa media rights nyina akodi New World TV for no. Ebusuanum say anu nti ena ye ka say Super Sports for new rights to telecast the AFCON.
Wow.
The question is how many people and they access to New World TV. Enti me tie no ade ba ko ba metrim ni say dey na CAF for ye measures be no put in place and sound on this right ne kwa koma nkofo no. Features all the right na be mo obi sa na. E was already how accessible nipa na o ton right na man no. O fans no supporters na pa ade ni bia how make my access sa de kro no. Ebutu no say ade a New World TV for ne ne say omo koto right ni say bedru a no ma pe companies na omo ebeyi no ato amomo na so mo de bi ato so na omaje mfaso. Enti afi ne duru ona mo bobo akese de masa companies no omo so asate twetwe mo ho ene na mana ye den se bebre na ebenye biare Steve be mabusia
they need the capacity omo ankasa ni omo need the capacity say
so how did they win the contract?
It's kasem so in the CAF one day official but African stories in football about with stories be a what here say be it make sense but interesting to hear. Unim say ne o kase say you be bo AFCON yi omo ne
Ivory Coast
friendly match abusia unim say ne omo ye training won futrom pitch na omo ye training wo so no say little beboy Facebook for mo fanto so na omo ne Ivory Coast wo match Saturday ya te say countries be complaining say baby omo ye training eh you know ho nye
Blasters are complaining
omo mfa ho omo de omo mfa ho obi a hye ne boot ena Sakura Park
no mujira mfuturo
ena omo gina mu ena omo prepare say Sierra Leone say AFCON no omo ba last time around per country abuja
except for mun journey e wa koma 87.9 FM on Facebook o de bra akoma 87.9 FM on Facebook bra na be heavy seeing is believing o de wa bra we Sakura Park o Sierra Leone for omo train no mo ye de aba AFCON no
omo Cote d'Ivoire wo friendly match
why are they training here
the players ni say omo mfa so long as say omo represent to omo nation there wherever they
wow
are they in Ivory Coast?
No.
Okay. Omo need to play a friendly
game against the Ivorians.
Yeah, omo qualify into no mo but on say World Cup qualify the last AFCON they were there omo ni team on be ha adwen ya omo de Steven Coker mo buy
wa run atari
one set up
to say come dia kwa so a national team player
wow
come there no
come
except for Johnny Wakoma 87.9 FM
that's so yeah notable names you know
Ebusuya group A yes here from the host Ivory Coast Ebusuya so Ivory Coast to begin with the biggest news manager Jean-Louis Gasset heading the squad nearby and ne woman say the star man for their team, Wilfred Zaha, has been dropped.
Wow.
And yen Wilfred Zaha ne performance are all bo Turkey for the club. And Ebusuya so Wilfred Zaha now ya dropping na and based on performance.
Okay.
And after some dropping on the crowd, Dogba Babo and Timber can say, o feel say coach need the emotions and yes collab no if it's a boy in the ball now all bono our form was in most of the attackers but because of one or two issues to buy any adibi a crowd for Zantino and penny for a uniform Ebusuya so where the goalkeepers now Ivory Coast for an FA mona of our 3 goalkeepers and they after the exit of Copper Barry Ivory Coast for a break say omubetimi finding a very good goalkeeper to mind the post for them enti omudi kan kofa Ali Badra Sangare the last AFCON he was a disaster total disaster nemfa okoche go bi kura ball ne boy control to one pan or top form and after that omukọ Asec Mimosa ekowe se nkombenya omo home goalkeeper ba ko Charles Foley and so answer that fa enti enei Ivory Coast eba no or the Yahya Fofana from SC Angers in France League 2 and eba and we be the first international tournament for them e wo say what that in some of the games for them but say tournament pound the last time no buy no Ali Badra Sangare na dey mo buy when timi replace Copper Barry and they fall on Yahya Fofana omudi we eba behwe no
bafo osei twafo yaw the second abrepohine bafo say listening to you live from Menchia Palace.
Wow.
It's bafo ewo Menchia na otie show. Bafo we salute you.
Ebusuya so ko animu ho Ivory Coast for enemy 10 attackers. And so ten is I can't say be kire say they are not into joke. 10 attackers na fi Ivory Coast for no edeba. But se unya wo treasure omutim ni mu a Ebusuya me feel say Ivory Coast team ni a team bia omo some up and coming young guys bi o ma say wa mo ni anko omo ho a omo pa na betimi how obi anim say animu ho de Sebastian Haller but this season for Dortmund Haller say go onya assist in the league but se onya abotre fa Ivory Coast for team na busu afa guy which is Konate Karim Konate for club friends RB Salzburg this season Ebusuya 10 goal involvement in 17 games I feel no only 19 years he is developing I feel a boy in Eba say ofo bi to say Jean-Philippe Crasso Ebusuya num say in the last 2 seasons Crasso is involved in 40 goals at club level only the last 2 seasons Onoko is involved in 40 goals and a child the performance Jean-Philippe Crasso has started all churning out again ye nyina ye Premier League ni bi ye hunu Simon Adingra of club friends say Brighton and Hove Albion. Okay. And Ebusuya that winger Simon Adingra and also Ivory Coast team he and also eka ho. Don't forget say Simon Adingra no right to do for no baby nya Kamaldeen baby enya kudus no no ɛhɔ asa kwan na so ɛna abrante ne fa ya ɛnei Ivory Coast for no afre no osi akan na Brighton and Hove Albion a young chap Alba enti omo so anim wɔ no omo wɔ nkra omo yɛ very good abusu omo sound so yɛ pacey ɛna omo de experience for na ka ho enti Jonathan Bamba yɛ de na ka ho Max Allen Gradel obekai Max Allen Gradel yes our team of 2015 omo de Ghana nyina he was part and wa ball mu team na che and omo de sa experience na ka ho enti 10 attackers na abusu Ivory Coast for no de ba no coach na and blend new upcoming guys na omo moja monofo no Simon Adingranom Krasonom odo omo nyina account Karim Konate odo ma ka ho and odi experience for no so afra enti Ivory Coast team na abusu ebe ye hu na unum say
the experience with youthfulness
and they and omo free Yamuso Kro Eko PM Ewo San Pedro as at 3:15 na team no abedru San Pedro omo beto aso na omaye sa omo preparations ni nyina so very how the Elephants omo so preparations ni besi akọ ebusu in the same group the second club and as a national team amefa no Nigeria
okay
said the year can Cote d'Ivoire for after Copper Barry almost so breso benya a goalkeeper to mind the post for them Nigeria also bre to get a very good goalkeeper and also ebetimi mind the post so e dia mom ebusuan so we Nigeria for goalkeepers three na ya form na of Francis Uzoho Stanley Nwabili and Olurunleke Ojo so we sa three goalkeepers ya the international experience e ba akopɛ and one Francis Uzoho so ko Nigeria sese ya na ubisa se keeper be na asapa omo na ajafo ni nyina be ka je se Uzoho but enei onu nkwani goalkeeper o Nigeria squad ni mabusuya wo international experience likely so onu na eba beda momo don't forget say Maduka Okoye manager no amfre no enti enei goalkeeper all by busuya onu na Nigeria fo nyina yo mo eni da so no Francis Uzoho so performance for the national team wo form ye pa enti won kai we kura no we kwan apate fa so ball a feeble shot na Uzoho entiman so sa ball ni ma ball no ekoto neta enunti Nigeria for entiman ko World Cup and so komu Nigeria ho abusuya ni goals or consider against Sierra Leone ni goals or consider against Liberia and other countries and Nigeria for no mabo nyina no say Nigeria for no bia na omo tade so keeper no visa keeper nasa and then Nigeria for do no na eba in recent times na nke nyina enim say can Nigeria eba na nkomo a very good goalkeeper but ene yabusuya Uzoho na man the post dia momo and enya de a eno betimi afa dia mo uba mfimfin ho a the only news I want mfimfin ho ne say Wilfred Onyenye Ndidi Epra the guy of Leicester City Intiama manager no akọ Royal Antwerp akofa Alassane Yusuf. Don't forget said the last 3 games Alassane Yusuf abo for Royal Antwerp ni nyina oya assist and Abrante na ba abe replace Wilfred Ndidi in the Nigeria squad. Ebusuan ko attack wa Nigeria for me feel say omo di din and the fire and not performance.
Sir omo je obi
attack na Nigeria fire ne ye Kelechi Iheanacho. Ebusuan this season a 6 goal involvement in 19 games for Kelechi.
Okay.
Omofa Sadiq Umar a 3 goals involvement in 17 league games. And after Sir Alexander Isak, every Real Sociedad eba Newcastle no a Sadiq Umar and a Real Sociedad for no from UD Ameria. But Umar Sadiq eba Real Sociedad no injuries near in the form name said that in 17 games or involved in only 3 goals. Nigeria found the neighbor. Ahmed Musa in the last 22 league games on say go Nigeria for at the neighbor. Ebusuya Moses Simon the other day kakra 7 goals in 17 games as a winger enye bad. Samuel Chukwu eze call AC Milan in the last 14 league games only 1 assist na branch na Nigeria for the neighbor. And so onya botre Nigeria team ni ma only 2 players na beka so mo gino mo na so mo say goals no Victor Boniface and then Victor Osimhen. We you are free wa forwards na aka na busuya din ne kro mo but performance na nkasa de abafom enti eno Nigeria squad no ebusuya time ni nti mame fancy wo Guinea Bissau
okay
ebusuya num say Guinea Bissau de na asie ne de pepe bebem kakra wo ha ma coach no aya de bia ade na coach na minim say ne kwan so ano na na say coach no
what has it done
ebusuya Guinea Bissau ene Brazil ko ball match
okay
June mu ho ena Brazil for say Guinea Bissau no mu wie match na the picture na beto so dia mame omu player fed Molai Sila ye pon match na no dimrika ena ko Vinicius Junior ho ɛna ɔne Vinicius ko twa picture no say ɔgye Vinicius jersey
ebusu ni for mo journey wa koma 87.9 FM on Facebook picture na akwara so kan wasem no
enti ya po match no
ɛna adwa ne ho
ɛna Molai Sela ɔkɔ Vinicius so na ɔkɔgye Vinicius jersey enti owie na ɔkɔ dressing room hɔ no sɛ Japan match players ni ekɔdware ɛna so ɔde ne jersey ni to hɔ ɛna ɔde Vinicius deɛ no so ɛka ho okɔdware baaya ne jersey ni na hɔ
wow ono ne deɛ na
Vinicius jersey na waje ono ne jersey ni kura ni wonde emfa no ho but Vinicius jersey na emu ni hɔ ebusu ɔse players ni nyina so na ekɔdware na aka coach ni nko a ɔno kɔ coach ni hɔ na ebusu ɔse coach ni bi hɔ ebusa wa ya na nya coach nkeke wɔ pɛ so ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔna afa ya se sa coach ni bi ɛna Molai Sela ko bi sa coach Basiro Kande
say jersey no way
mi Vinicius jersey no coach ya wɛn na coach Vinicius jersey bɛn ya pose me Vinicius gina wa me gini jersey sa jersey me dia beto a ye ko dware players ni gina na ye ko dware kochi ye ko ba ye ko na aka ha jersey ni ho kochi jersey ni we coach ni say me ana de kro no to me so no me ubehu ebusuya ubehu no say na ye squad na coach na ye na frim
wow
so aka am best players ni ho kaga na afa na say Kudus akwaji Vinicius jersey no say best Krisuti na afa e Krisuti fa breme ana Krisuti na kaje Kudus me na de kro no to me so no ubehu na Afcon yi ni ayi Kudus
but so has the entire nation be fair to the boy
issue na buy ache na said the Kwabena coach no denied vehemently
so nim be
ana boy ni say ye free game no buy all the players ekwo she wo de na wotia we are the constant figure we K is always constant the coach sat wa nkobi je den na yakwaba na mi jersey and waka jersey na waka say me Vinicius jersey on ka jersey
get jersey
Vinicius jersey or the man no unim say sa picture we before the start of the game na boy ka che yes before the start of the game na ka che Vini say obaji jersey no eti 5 other players approach Vini oh yeah onimbo ni ba no ha di jersey number no aka say no obi adika akadada obi adika akadada enti na jersey ni peripi epe unim say boy no ebe complain che coach no na boy no expect say okay coach ni no ha ese ka coach mi busa se masa why na afa jersey ba coach anya ho he na ye nyina di free okoi
wow
ena coach ne say the chrono ato so na in fact ade ode ede eyi boy na free me say o say boy no ede in discipline back camp or macro ye back camp na so me also nyo na fa enti boy no kwa unu say boy ne bufu ya so mo nkohwe cameras na nhwe say coach na fa jersey na ba coach ndi udi twaso ade ye ntwaso
emo 89 say ni ne ho nti ye nkohwe
na wo say ye ntwaso ne ebreko nya ne mfiri a enti boy no abuza and one player born onimbo o kana select wo integral member of the squad
but he not been fair to the boy
who say yasan akase ye ko tournament coaches no players o mo professor mo de mo beko no mo yi di ono person de ne ko nti abe
amata koma 87.9 FM Afcon Diaries no and na yewra mu e group A. Yet also, or say good evening to you all for the best sports station. Keep it up. We if Abbas Zachary and Abbas Edu Abbas Yeda CP Mo Nyami Inshao. Or say you are the best. I wish you and the crew a happy new year and more success in your business. Sir Anna Kofi Ima Abaka and so at the Abahai Akoma Sports. I wish Ghana Blasters all the best. I'm already in Cote d'Ivoire waiting for the Afcon. Isaac Kujo and so the Abani watching you from Dubai. And your show is the best show in Kumasi. Derek Che Bafo and Abba. Yet also, but before Mevram Imax Global, Monkomobi Ekodi Oho, Kofi Poku, communications director at the Nations FC. Kofi is in the house. Kofi Akwaba Bibiaboko. So yes, Kofi
yes, now him say first na I call Lake no. Mr. Dafa Dr. Che Sports Complex.
Okay.
No kwasem say enei wo Ghana ha de. Me nya sure say your sporting facility. Me call the nano His Excellency a commission e wo Koforidua. I've seen pictures. FPA but the meeting many come say that call me China any puyo na na mti say that drive you say 1000 so the milem we area out there so I drove there and you see we in futuro na e wo kwan so kwan na omagua abesi aputo ja ho no efiri ho no omotutu ni nyina Ghana sem so de mo pa say de omotutu kwan na sa afiri wa kosi abono madwere wo za menjaze yes omotutu aye gates na ba yengu so e na kan nsi wo omo cars ni nsi wo chese ye adwuma wo kwan no so but be that as it may I drove there na the stadium some new umi de ebra eye anane boaten na ekoho because of relationship and Mr. Kwarakesi wo it is very imposing so bana mfuturo ni nyina still you see the blue and white colors so the blue and white standing out a very imposing figure
wow
and Dr. Chei ayen ho ye mo na baso
yan come no no a ye blasters say nkomo nya ba bi ntwe
okay say first time me interview no on this particular project okay tell me say enye ne money team ninji and osi okoje stadium no nemum okay say de kotoko si brese eze kotoko every kumase konkan sa na na amposa first season say okay na kotoko e commute in and out of Accra omukoba no mabebo game no be training na kotoko akono akobobo no aba o se sa de no na ye na homete and so he decided say anytime bia me kai kotoko board na time on beka no air board uzo omko ye inspection was facility no na am say no pencil at the end down na abusu o mana efe pa
wow
I'm saying this
with time
on say nyame adom Black Stars enya ba bi train baba yara
nipa adwempa say wo
uduru baba yara na uduru baba yara na me de picture kira on yin say ho say me yi bibia free na me picture ni kwa kira but Black Stars training no mo ye wa Abrankese no Dr. Chei Sports Complex oh pictures na e bana I'm sure the technical team is satisfied with and Abrankese na no bi me ka kira say me nima branch na ye groundsmen I don't know them nipa hwe grass no so unza me ka kira say mo na ba so achewu e brana start time so mo ko twa match bia wo ba bia na grass na hye no still na ho de no hey green I told you say minim pass unim Dr. Chea ade e fe ne fe
sure
eti anya won say ombo match yo mo bie sprinklers na omo eti omo wo water system a omo de and abusuanya den o say odi nsuo escafo bebre okroma e peba udu omo fia grass na omo fia ni mo e dazo e green o because nsuo ne ade guzo and you don't need a rocket scientist but yamo
Abrankese ho enkomo Dr. Kwame Chei Sports Complex doctor Erade nsia wo papa yenti Erade enka wo join yen e wa akoma 87.9 FM on Facebook
so this is first prayer session at Black Stars to commence their training and this is Abrankese
and
we have our facility we now the okoba the fact that the whole nation ye ni ba bia Black Stars ye ni bi o we individual they unim say nations is obusia ye mo mabaso me catch us Kasim Mengel nations far no the first 2-3 months so unim na wa hwe abepam but so unya abotrema no ye adwuma no wie na say onya ni team ni wie a eti bra na pressure wo nations so no mo da 17th na nkofo ni bi kasa there's one nation supporter me findi ma o tie program almost every day ofre me catch up so munya abotre but e be take break akra ababa yo nations e si kwam so mo ko na no mo ko fom o last game mo ye she o mo first go na me catch up say we no on ba tia se 3 or 4 because say mo no
you said it
unim say nations assign bo kotoko again animanimu ya e wo baba yara you would love to watch that game okay mo FA Cup that day nations were not clinical enti e bro mo call down na so mo ti 2 goals nya ye start second half na no na so mo equalize na the same and na kotoko taking the chances share na nations say me lupe if they should meet again we say kotoko bonus nations born no boni coach the club no they are doing well and many aje wo shop omo position league table no so last year this time na yesu go kin face area we can ampano no marry and the two teams from one nations ne kotoko me so say obi adwene so oji league be so from the position and ba ko we no which is King Visor last year the two teams are more kroma no obi adwene so betima oji league
aya koma 87.9 FM 2024 mu na yewura no abono num nana ana Kofi Poku Nations FC comes director Kofi what's say enough me for
Yo, observe enumerated official part and mama.
Wow.
Official Nations FC, your Mefiada.
Yeah.
Officially, your Mefiada.
Yes, in terms of management.
How
can I say maybe my supporters?
Yeah.
I'm a boja, my be 2 hours. You have
my
station manager friends. Now, I'm going to be my Friday. Yeah. Kabea mo no mo nkada Friday. Tani ya wahana. Omo so me na me se nipa be for bi. Afi na sprinter bi be si ha. No mo brum twini mo ase o gingingingi na. Station manager friends na me so. Nation service no team ne ba na no ya no mo supporters ni. Omo be si jama be 2 hours e wa.
Community.
Yo, say you can say you monitor from afar. Yeah. And Namisa kind of cry. Any sodium we my.
Thank you.
We are so much grateful.
You are always welcome.
And for support now, Richard Canadian. Let me say, you was the first of all. I said my supporters, especially more with some train Cleveland. From Division 1 nearby, you know, we have free. Yeah, marketed from Bekwai Abano. Now your problem back here supporters. Okay. Because it's difficult say. You Margaret here supported from Bekwai Amba. But fortunately for us, you know, you buy no almost mu, and every venue be a koi biano, omudiachi.
Wow.
Into no baby a die and that 4th position amount for Beabasono. If I'm maybe no so almost so can be. Now if you know media for no send a cano, Kumasi media, Sebi Timswania, sorry. The kind of support our newly promoted team by Yano, was opening a sueni pa and management and I say no. Afiaso say at least yanya hwekura no yestra media for no na momu say adwuma na wo ye no ye ni so nti ye chinchini na enumere adu akoma so say say e ba na ye be chia ebusianfo na kire mo say dem ye ni so na like Oliver Twist said no we can always ask for more na second round this start here Shambo say eja mo ye kwan ye beba na eja ye sem pa na ye wo no they have a brass and mine. Now, a media give away kakra. Okay. Because we say be yemfa and pine say if you pine shaben. Sana I can and the media sports percentage will come as yason. Some don't pay and a difficult say it beats me a cover a personality be a but yeah try say media house be at least you better reach out to one figure be a sport say at least or boa a champion year course no. Into no and I buy Nations FC and if a face for you a box you wow. It's over me quite and can be bim kakra.
Wow. Be a team for much Facebook.
You know, for Munchania Wakuma 87.9 Kofi Poku. Nations FC comes director and I was in Kofi.
Media give away now I do Akumas now and I represent how many back on.
Okay.
I will be my your branded
wow.
Nations FC. Eche.
Wow.
Unya bia na ese odu boy we are the sign wo your mark
87.9
Nations FC.
Oh nice.
We need for coffee
Nations for your buja
Olive can Yakubo dey be
Nations for
obi odu ba falum coffee.
Wow.
Odu ba tire.
Wow.
Nations for
Elosofa oh
wow. Nations FC club number na anu
you obi sit banusu
and omo brand you omo sa
exactly
covid to aso
we are ikuta me some yen central for there more depend there group into ikuta Nations FC
branded
I love Nations FC.
Wow. Wow.
There no sebi you have no option not to love us. I love Nations FC. We are na at least team ni ba nche into ni ma we ho ni mpa team no
okay
into kure brushu say at least ubie ma letting you want to know about Nations FC no ubie ma
that's nice
from qualification ura center page wa a gallery kakra honma a transition from BYFA to the current Nations FC. Now questions why your addresses ni social media handles na the honma now if you are na they can't cry your replica say yeah ma media for na share ya be ka jesi ni bi nti na ba ya we ye home kit we need to know home.
That's nice.
Nti Nations FC ya replica jesi we for home.
Wow.
Quality no so there.
Quality.
Na there can say being a phone ɛyɛ kit sponsors no
Okay.
na production wise no ɔmo na kit division 1 no nti ɛma production no asɛ akɔ fam kakra nti yɛntimi anya enough is the reason why nti ɛyɛ ni batches no nti yɛhopi sɛ second round no yɛnya match of the GCC na ɔmo nya bi no so no ɛba round na
Kofi Boku of Nation Service. Kofi, yeah, that's it. Sorry.
Yes, my enda nations and more management in Abaso. I think these are little things that you do. It speaks volume of what ubetimi aye. And I think a strategic move by the manager. See you, Yamon Abaso. I know he's a hard-working gentleman, and he's really working for the club, backed by Divine. Any Paul, any Divine said almost back, you know. Then I know Doctor is also the consultant. They always consult him, of course. Being my Japan, they say the lives of Minya Coca, Jimmy Coca, then Kennedy, Wachan Sanum. I think they are doing well, and this thing that they have done, I know they are more air core round. It is good. A chair ubua or more edema media for, and the fact that ebia komu etim no kwa na yekakra no metima yebibria abujan ko mbebibri kra chen de omayenti. We also thank you na said the be try can no credit yebeka e de akirawo eti nations okay recruitment time sama me ka kire o nyoma ye kan and me ka chome say e bra na ebi mo ma coach ne pressure me ko match ba ko abrantie ba ko na coach na me se krache unnim Kasim Menga no Kasim Menga no say teams na Ghana no we serious no munim na ko bi ahwim ne dada because unso wo be chem no wo the nations team yi on bet ma tombe 2 players from next obi anhu because on obo season we identify the way ko oba dada ho and that is the trademark ya mama ba so ma ya
doctor and management penifo nyina wankasa ti omu nyina ma ye da obi ase ewrade nhia mo ye bedin komo
we seven
message out the map support
support make can from the one because so mutimi di achi free ha ekosu akope enya easy and mebo your papa Dr. Kwame Yabaso edana say divine president divine Chebuadu Paul Chebafo we see you Kwame Alexis Jumesi Dankwa your brands and commercial manager Kennedy Boachansa and Asafo head of security any other guys be omobu bia supported leader Nana Paul Adasi edomu nyina se na yeshombo se sene o matai chi na monya ko mapa ne gidi we mu no yese be koso na dwuma bi ase ye ne de boa ma nations e ka league nim nimpo no ye ton asanteman e ko ewiase nyina no ye be
Yamishaw I akoma 87.9 FM joining on Facebook on akoma 87.9 FM 2024 and yewram we second